Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Medyo nagutom ako. Kain tayo. Nagutom ako. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Okay, tapusin ko lang itong discussion na to. Tapos saka ako kumakain ng lunch. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung tungkol sa sound ulit. Kumbaga, ito yung continuation. Ano ba yung properties or characteristic ng sound? Titingnan natin kung naalala nyo pa yung discuss ko nung nakaraan. Let me share the okay. Okay, so let us discuss the properties of sound. So what are the properties of sounds? Natatandaan nyo pa ba? Kung natandaan nyo, ilagay nyo sa comment box. Share nyo po so that all of us will know or will be informed. Diba? So this is our task, investigate properties and characteristic of light and sound. So mag-focus lang tayo sa sound. These are the objectives. Identify the properties of sound and its characteristics. Conduct an experiment activity that highlights the properties of sound. Share helpful ways on how to protect oneself from exposure to excessive sound. Okay? You can visit this YouTube link. Hindi ko na to ipi-play kasi baka ma-copyright tayo. Okay? Tulong nyo na yun sa akin para hindi tayo ma-copyright. So, pwede nyo tong i-visit tong YouTube channel, yung YouTube na ito. Ito yung link. About characteristic of sound. What is sound? Sound is a type of kinetic energy produced by vibrating objects. It is an energy that can be perceived by the ear. And sound needs a medium to travel. And this media can be solids, liquids, and gases. So, makaka-produce lang tayo ng sounds kapag nag-apply ng force doon sa isang object, nag-bounce yon, nag-vibrate. Okay, yung vibration na yon, nakaka-create ng sound waves. Yun, may sounds na nakikreate. Okay? Sound can travel through solid, liquid, and gas. So, mas mabilis po yung sound pag travel ng sound sa solid kaysa sa liquid and sa gas. At pinakamatagal po mag-travel ang sound sa gas. So let us visit this simulation. This is the source. So let us navigate this link. Ito po yan. Click yung sound water waves. Okay? So dito may frequency dito. Pwedeng i-minimize, maximize. Meron tayong amplitude, minimize nyo or maximize. Meron din tayong graphic. Click nyo lang yan. Pwede nyo yung water, yan. Makikita nyo dito yung water level. Baguhin nyo yung vibration. Pwedeng normal, may slow, side view. Okay, yan yung side view. For example, side view. Okay. This is the side view. Okay, this is slow, okay? Kapag naman normal, okay, pansinin niyo yung frequency at saka yung amplitude. Okay? Tsaka yung sound na naririnig natin. Okay. How about naman pag top view? Okay? This is example. Okay, yan. Nakikita nyo yan? Okay, click ulit natin. Try to navigate this simulation. Maganda. Okay, bawasan natin yung frequency. Okay. I-minimize natin yung frequency. Okay. Diba? Kapag mababa yung frequency, yan yung mababang frequency. Diba? Low sound. Diba? Matagal mag-travel yung sound. Kapag nilakasan natin yan, ayan. Yung vibration, yung amplitude, yung pitch, mataas din. Yan, yung loudness pati. Okay. So how about sound? Try naman natin sa sound. So dito yung may graph ulit tayo. May play tone, particles, or both. Okay? So sa waves muna tayo, syempre. Okay? It can be slow. Dito muna tayo sa slow. Ang ingay. Ayoko ng may wave. Wait lang. Tanggalin. Ayun, masakit sa tenga. Ayoko. Ayan. Diba? Mataas yung amplitude niya at yung frequency. Sakto lang. Okay? So, ganito po mag-travel ang sound sa air. Diba? Malakas siya, tapos pahina siya. Depende sa distance niya. Okay? Kung mataas yung frequency at saka yung amplitude, ayan. Diba? Nakikita natin. How about particles? Kung may particles, yan. Mas nakikita natin yung compression at saka yung pag-bounce ng particles or air molecules. So, through vibration, nako-compress yung first layer ng molecules, air molecules. Nako-compress yung first and second layer. And then, pagka nag-compress, tatalbog ulit yun. Yung second, didikit siya sa third hanggang maipasa yung sound. Okay? Or hinaan natin yung amplitude. Okay, ano napapansin nyo? Diba? Humihina din. O diba? Ang hina ng amplitude. Let us see. Okay, yan. Diba? Ito po yung experiment activity natin through simulation. So try to navigate this. Maganda siya. Pwede ding normal. Ito yung normal, guys. Yan. Mabilis siya. Okay? Ayan yung particles. Lalo na kung malaas yung frequency niyan. Ayan, di ba? Oh. Or side view. Ayan. Ayan. Okay? Or this one. Okay? Okay, yan. Nakikita natin yung mga particles. I try to navigate this one. This simulation. Marami kayong matututunan dito. Okay, let's go back to our discussion. What are the properties of sound based on our simple activity? Kahit mas maikli lang o saglit lang yung activity natin. What are the properties of sound? Natatandaan nyo ba yung properties ng sound? So ito yung mga properties ng sound. First is the speech. This is how low or how high a sound is, and it depends on the frequency of the sound. So makikita natin doon sa activity kung mas may time kayo para i-navigate yung mga features na meron doon sa simulation, try nyo. Okay? Try nyo yung PET simulation na yan. Next is frequency. This is the pitch of a sound or the distance of each wave from one another. Or the shorter the distance, the higher the pitch. The frequency of a sound is a number of vibration in a second, and its unit is hertz. Okay, ito yung high frequency wave and low frequency wave. So depende sa frequency or number of vibration or distance ng vibration. Kung maikli lang yung distance, so may high frequency wave tayo. Kapag naman malayo yung distance, so low frequency wave yun. Next, excuse me. Next is loudness. Okay, the loudness of the sound depends on the size of vibration. A loud sound carries more energy than a soft sound. The loudness or volume of a sound is the size of the wave of the sound. So it depends on wave amplitude or the maximum extent of vibration. Nung kanina gumamit tayo ng amplitude, di ba? We minimize and maximize the amplitude. So nakikita natin yung loudness ng sound. Nasamid lang ako kasi kumain ako ng biscuits. So the loudness of a sound is measured in decibels. Okay? Wala natin instrument. Wala akong maipakita ng instrument. Okay. Okay, this is high volume and low volume. Pansinin niyo yung pagkakaiba. Nakita natin ito kanina sa simulation. This is amplitude, yung height ng vibration. Kung gaano siya kataas, ganoon din kalakas yung volume ng sound. Speed, syempre, the speed of a sound in air actually depends on the medium by which sound is being transferred. So air ito, ako nagsasalita, air, and then tatamaan ng sound. So depende sa susunod na medium, yung lakas ng sound. O saan mata-transfer yung sound. The speed of a sound is around 767 miles per hour, 1,230 kilometers per hour, according to the book that I have read. Sound comes from vibrations. So these vibrations create sound waves which move through mediums such as air and water before reaching our ears. So kapag medyo nababawasan na yung lakas o yung volume ng sound kapag dumating sa ears natin. Pero depende sa distance. Kung ito yung main source, mas mabilis kasi yung distance dikit lang. Pero kung malayo yung distance, nababawasan din yung loudness ng sound, pati yung pitch, di ba? Depende sa distance and depende sa medium na pinagpasahan ng sound. Okay? So yun po yung properties and characteristic ng sound. Okay? Kung may alam pa po kayo na hindi ko nabanggit, pwede nyo pong i-comment sa comment section. So i-share lang din tayo ng ideas. Okay? The more, the merrier. So as your activity, do this activity, enjoying sounds. This is the problem. How does sound move? What you need, a rubber band, uncooked rice, a pair of scissors, a piece of plastic, an empty can, saucepan, a large spoon, sticky tape. What to do? Cut the piece of plastic so that it is bigger than the top of the empty can. Stretch the plastic tightly over the can and secure it with a rubber band. Tape the plastic down to keep it stretched. This is your drum. Sprinkle a few grains of rice on the top of the drum. Hold the saucepan near the drum and hit it sharply with a spoon. What have you found out? Okay, pause nyo itong instruction and then gawin nyo. And what have you found out? Ililista nyo yung na-discover nyo. What happened to the rice grain as you hit the saucepan? And then why? Ano yung reason nyo? And then your conclusion. In your activity, how does the sound move? Okay. This is the discovery activity, how does sound travel. Pero nauna na natin i-discuss yung properties and characteristic of sound. So these are my references. I do not know the pictures in this PPT and any information. I just use it, have my source, is a reliable source. Okay, I hope you learned something. Peace out. Bye-bye.